Okay, folks, it's time to do another unboxing of comics for the shop this week. I'm going to start with Penguin Random House because the Lunar order is huge. So here we go. I got one mailer, one box. Pack slip invoice thingy. This is the mailer. And here's what was inside. We got some daintily packaged IDW comics. Sonic the Hedgehog number 82. This is not IDW. Nova Centurion. That's the Frank Miller variant. And the regular cover. And I don't think this actually was new this week. It should probably say. I'm going to look. Oh, yeah, it is. Okay, never mind. I think I missed it actually ordering it to start with. It'll give it a tappy tappy. It does have a cover. It is $4.99. And we'll take a look at the art real quick. What the heck? All right. There we go. Nova Centurion number 1. And now we move on to the box. Box inside a box. Packing paper all the way around. Packing slip invoice thingy. There shouldn't be any issues with these comics. And revolutionary technology, off we go. If you notice things are a little different this week, it's because it's backwards. The camera's on the wrong side and the comics are coming from the right, not the left, and it's confusing me. Red Book, number 2. Star Trek, The Last Starship, number 2. Speaking of Starship, we have Starship Godzilla, number 2. One World Under Doom, number 9. I thought this was over. It's a variant cover. Godzilla. Godzilla Destroys the Marvel Universe, number 5. This is a weird variant. I think it's... I was going to say action figure variant, but I don't think so. I don't know. Anyway, it's got Megalon. One World Under Doom, number 9. Variant with the dinosaur. One World Under Doom. Sorcerer Supreme. Variant cover, and that was it was on the FOC today being Monday the 17th or 18th, whatever day is. There was a FOC order for Sorcerer Supreme number 1 with Scarlet Witch. So anyway, One World Under Doom Street Verse variant, and Power Rangers Prime number 12. More comics out. Yeah, there's a lot in here. It's quite full. The video probably quit working and I'll have to splice it. Twilight Zone, number 2. Lots of number 2s this week. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Casey Jones, number 2. One World Under Doom, number 9, Stormbreaker variant. Come on. One World Under Doom, number 9 variant. One World Under Doom, number 9 variant. Godzilla Destroys the Marvel Universe, number 5 variant. Star Wars Jedi Knights, number 9 variant. Spider-Man Holiday Special. Holiday Spectacular, rather. Number 1. Did I just get one of these? No, there's several. I got 3 of them. Probably not enough. We'll take a look inside. There's the art in Spider-Man Holiday Spectacular number 1. $4.99 cover price. Happy Tappy has a cover. The Last Wolverine, Age of Revelation. You guessed it, number 2. And here is the regular cover for Godzilla Destroys the Marvel Universe, number 5. I got 6 copies. That is not enough. Maybe there's more. Oh, and there is. Here's a bunch of them. Yeah, we got about 10 of those. Unbreakable X-Men, number 2. How many of these? Got more of those? Okay, more of that. Captain America, number 5. Current volume. That's a good cover. Yeah. Okay, it's a picture. I thought it was a window. I was going to have to put it with my window frame collection. Those window shade variants they were doing. Yeah, I was collecting those because I'm stupid. Mighty Morphin Power Rangers, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 3, number 3. I thought it was 2, but 3, number 3 of 5. Not even going to try to clarify that. Just going to move on. Omega Kids, number 2. Got 4 of those. That's probably too many. All new Spider-Gwen Ghost Spider, number 4. Got a couple of those. Radioactive Spider-Man, part of Age of Revelation. You guessed it, number 2. Excuse me, sorry, I still have the sniffles. X-Men, Book of Revelation, number 2. Got a bunch of those, probably too many. I don't know, I can't tell anymore. Somebody came in and bought a bunch of comics today, which is a good thing. But it was somebody that's from out of town or something, so it's going to mess up my ordering. One World Under Doom, number 9. But at least I know that it happened. I did my order last night, so it's not going to throw me off, I don't think. But it could. Ultimates, the Ultimates, number 18. Amazing Spider-Man, number 16. And this series has really started selling compared to the previous series. Because I was getting just a few copies, had 1 subscriber for Amazing Spider-Man. I was selling like 3 total. And now I'm selling 5 or 6. X-Men of Apocalypse, number 1. Let's see if we got how many of these we got. A bunch of these. Take a look at this. X-Men of Apocalypse. Tappy Tappy has a cover, sort of, mostly. $4.99 cover price. Take a quick look inside. Looks like got some Wolverine versus Sabretooth stuff going on. And anyway, there's your art. X-Men of Apocalypse, number 1. Because we don't have enough X-Men titles already. We need more. And there we go. Punisher Red Band, number 3. Sealed and sanitized for your protection. Predator Kills the Marvel Universe, number 4. Only got 4 of those. We'll sell all those. And that's it for the Penguin Random House order. Moving on to Lunar. I got a box inside a box with the weird cardboard on the ends now. I don't know. I guess it's okay. The comments were all right last time. So we got these weird cardboard space fillers. In my opinion, those are too hard, and they're going to result in, they're going to transfer the damage right through to the comics and mess them up. But I could be wrong. It hadn't happened yet. Judge Death 2025 Mega Special. Stories from the world of Super Fiend. Take a look inside at this real quick. So, different stories in there. Let's see. What is the cover price? Oh, wow. 4.99 pounds. Doesn't even have a dollar price. That's silly. Okay. Here we go. Guaranteed to be the big seller of the week. Batman Deadpool. Number 1, not to be confused with Deadpool Batman. Because, how could you possibly confuse that? Deadpool Batman came out. Now this is Batman Deadpool. So we'll take a quick look at this. $7.99 cover price. Tappy Tappy has a substantial cover. It is quite thick. So there we go. Batman Deadpool. We got still Batman Deadpool, Doctor Strange, Constantine, Swamp Thing, Ghost Rider. My goodness, that's a thing. X-23 Nightwing, Harley Quinn Hulk, and looks like Static Kamala Khan. So that's the interior of that, and that may be what this whole box is, because I have faith that these will sell. I could be wrong. But, some will, of course. So the whole box, except for the Judge Death Special, this whole box is the regular cover of Batman Deadpool. And they're all in great shape. So what do I know about the cardboard insert? Packet slip invoice thingy. Bubble wrap. Still on top, but weird cardboard insert things on the sides. Makes no sense, but whatever. If it works, it works. And here we have Batman Deadpool. Maybe I overdid it. Like, a lot of comics for me to sell, like if I order a lot, that's like 10. 10 is a lot. So I may be in big trouble this time, but I think I sold Deadpool Batman, I sold a lot. I want to say 50. And I sold them fast, and people still wanted them. Here's a variant cover. Since it's DC, this one is cardstock, Tappy Tappy. It's a little bit higher pitched cardstock than usual. It is $8.99. Of course, that's kind of like the, I guess, a tribute cover to the Crisis on Infinite Earths. Was it number 8, the Supergirl? Superman holding Supergirl. Here is Batman Deadpool number 1. That's the one that looks like the Hulk 340 variant. It's cardstock also. No need for a Tappy Tappy. You just have to take my word for it. Here's another variant cover. Yeah, I overdid it. I don't know who that one's by. It's probably obvious to some people, and they're just saying how stupid I am. But I don't know who did that one. Batman Deadpool number 1 variant cover, cardstock. And I think that's all for the Batman Deadpools. I hope it is anyways. That was too much. I overdid it. My bad. Gotcha Man. Number 14. Which I believe is a variant cover. Yep, here's the regular. Mark Spears Monsters number 1. 6th printing. Excuse me. Space Ghost number 5. Harley Quinn Elvira number 2. Shiny foil variant. Harley Quinn Elvira number 2. Cardstock variant. Tappy. They may all be cardstock. I don't know. Another variant for that. I don't need to keep saying it. Another variant. Cardstock Tappy. And here's the regular cover for that. We'll see if it's cardstock. I believe it is. Yes. So they are all cardstock. Cover price $4.99. But there's plenty more comics in this box. So let's keep going. Cheetah and Cheshire robbed the Justice League. I think that's a reorder for a customer. This is a reorder for a customer. Supernatural number 1. You guys didn't. I haven't unboxed one. I just got this one copy. It is cardstock Tappy. $4.99 cover price. And there's the art. In Supernatural number 1. Wonder Woman number 27. Excuse me, Teen Titans, or no, I'm sorry, just Titans. Titans, number 29, part of the DCKO tie-in. Yeah, 4 of those, they'll probably all sell, because Titans and KO selling pretty well. Superman Unlimited, number 7. And it is cardstock. Oh, wait, here we go. Batman Deadpool, number 1, blank cover variant. So we're back on that again. That one has an $8.99 cover price. Because of the cover, Tappy. And this one is very shiny. And it is $10.99. Can you see that? $10.99 cover price. Shiny costs extra. Tappy. Goodness. $11 cover price. Batman Deadpool number 1. Ooh, that's a variant. Is that who did that? Is that J. Scott Campbell? And it could be a ratio variant because I should check. So I definitely qualified for some ratios. Let's see. Well, I got a lot of variants, but none of them say anything about ratios, but I'll have to double check before I put them out for sale. Batman Deadpool number 1, there's that one with the X-23 Nightwing. Here's another variant, the Frank Quietly variant. I definitely overdid it. I did it. There's more. Oh, no. I've bought too much. Batman Deadpool, Storm, and Wonder Woman. Oh, there's another one. It's coming later. Lazarus Fallen, number 6. G.I. Joe, number 14. It'll take me all night just to bag and board all the Batman Deadpool comics. Nightwing, number 132. 5 of those are selling well. Unlike this. New Gods, number 12. And I sold out of these, so I don't know the previous issue, so I don't know how well these are doing. Justice League Red, number 4. 4 of those. Batman Deadpool, number 1, variant cover. That one's got Lobo. So that one might be something special. I don't know. Y'all think the Lobo is special? Batman Deadpool number 1. Is that Rogue and Wonder Woman? Is that Wonder Woman? I don't know. I think it's Wonder Woman. Rogue and Wonder Woman. Oh, here's another one. These are all card stock, by the way. Tappy tappy. That one's got Gambit and I guess Damian Robin. Is that with the hood? Is Damian? Oh, here's another one, Batman Deadpool. What have I done? That one's got Harley Quinn. And Hulk. They're still coming. They're still coming. Batman Deadpool number 1. Captain America Wonder Woman. Here's another one. Scarlet Witch. Zatanna. Ooh. Ooh. This is one I'm going to keep. Dr. Doom Joker cover. Because we are Arch Villain Comics here at Arch Villain Comics. So this is the kind of stuff we like to have around just because these are definitely arch villains. We're almost to the bottom of the box. My goodness. Catwoman, number 81. Batman Superman World's Finest, number 45. And I got 4 of these. They will all sell. This was actually selling well. That might not even be enough. It'll cover the subscribers. I don't even know if I get to put any on the shelf because I haven't been paying attention. Absolute Flash, number 9. Not selling that well, but I did get, 7 copies? Because Absolute stuff is hot, hot, hot. Here's a second printing for Absolute Batman number 9. Here's a second, is it second? Yes, second printing for Absolute Batman number 8. Here's a 6th, is that 6th printing? For Absolute Batman number 3. And I don't even know, 7th printing for Absolute Batman number 2. And here's a trade paperback. Is that miscut? No, I guess not. For Absolute Martian Manhunter. And that was a miniseries, so that's the whole thing. I think it was 6 issues. So there's that. That's it. So run, don't walk to your local comic shop on Wednesday and get as many copies of Batman Deadpool as you can carry. Because if I'm your local comic shop, I've got way too many. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.